Ooh.
Hello everybody,
Hi.
welcome to another Splatty video.
Yep.
And for this one we are going to be drawing a
Pea shooter, that line I did say.
pea shooter, just like you said in an earlier video.
Yeah.
So a pea shooter from Plants versus Zombies.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start on this one, Izzy.
Yeah.
Okay, so for this one we are going to draw an oval shape like that. And you can watch me and follow along.
Yeah, I don't throw it oval.
Yeah, this is a rather simple drawing. There's not much going on with the pea shooter. It's a very nice little round character on his stem. So now, for the second bit, we're going to draw an oval going like this. So watch me.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me see. Move your hand. Oh, there we go. You can actually see a pea shooter taking shape already. Going to draw a eye there, a big eye.
An eye.
Another eye.
Another eye.
And a little reflection.
A
A little
little.
bit of a light. And let's color the black, the dark of his eyes. Yeah, his eyes. He just has basic black eyes like that.
Yeah. In Plants vs. Zombie Day, you only see the pea shooter, the black eye.
Yeah.
But
Just-
it's only white.
Let me see. He was just cute.
Look.
Yeah. So now we need to draw the inside of his
Yeah.
let's call it his barrel because he's a
Barrel.
shooter. So it's like the inside of his mouth, but
Yeah.
and he spits out peas.
Yeah.
So it's actually, here we go. Another oval inside that other oval.
Yeah.
Close it up.
Yeah.
Yep.
I don't want it to shoot.
Okay. So we can draw a pea over here
Pea over there.
and a little line because he shot it out.
And little line like just.
And on top of his head we have a little stem
Yeah.
and a leaf connected to it.
And leave the connected.
Yeah, connected to, that's a leaf. And now we make a little neck, a wide neck bit.
One.
You see, that's right. And a little stem just going down into the ground like that. And now we draw his 4 leaves. It's like his feet.
Yeah.
So 2 in front
Yep. Did you
and
know?
2 showing at the back. You see, two leaves showing on the other side. Let me see. And that's right, there's your pea shooter and he's
Yeah.
shooting a pea. So you can add little angry little eyebrows to yours if you want.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're gonna do that? No, you're not gonna do that.
No.
That's fine. And there we have our little pea shooter.
Yeah, a type of pea shooter.
He's just he's the first type of pea shooter, I think.
Yeah, you
And
have a eye pea shooter.
so I'm gonna make even another oval on the inside and color that dark.
I did do it myself.
Okay. Just that bit. And now we can add some color.
Yeah. Let me finish.
Okay, you can finish.
And then.
Okay. So I'm gonna grab, we both need green, so you can choose your green first. You can choose 2 shades of green. Take another shade of green and then you can make his leaves a different green than his head because his whole body is green. So you can
But the eye.
you can vary the colors. I'm gonna make my leaves this turquoise. Oh, this is almost too light, but I'm gonna try it anyway.
Yeah, I did got it right.
You can do this very quickly.
Oop. My bad. almost done.
Mm-hmm.
Don't do that.
And the pea shoot is a very quick throwing, eh?
Yeah.
And now I need that nice green over here. There we go.
But in Plant Physics Army, it did not have that before, but that they wanted.
They don't have 4 feet.
I mean, they do.
Yes, they do.
Yeah, pea shooters, they're walking.
Well, they don't walk. They're planted.
I know. But I thought about the other day. Dad.
Okay, I didn't play all of the Plants vs Zombie games.
Yeah?
Oh, are you talking about the Garden Warfare one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which one was that? Was this one? That's a nice green.
Yeah.
It is a very nice green.
Yeah.
And I'm coloring the pea. So there's our pea shooters shooting a pea.
Mm-hmm.
Yours turned out very nice. I like yours.
Good.
With this wide mouth, he really shot out a pea just then, eh?
Yeah. I don't know why I'm
Okay, everybody. So that's our little pea shooters.
Yep.
I hope you did one as well. I mean, it's a really simple drawing. It was an easy one.
Yeah.
You could easily follow at home. So maybe rewind the vid and try one yourself and leave a comment.
Yeah.
Tell me how difficult it was or how easy it was. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, be good.
Have fun.
Bye.
Bye.